from PNC Arena in Raleigh, the seventh and deciding game of the second round series between the New York Rangers and the Carolina Hurricanes. The siren sounder, Cam Ward, Conn Smythe winners the playoff MVP in 2006 when the Hurricanes won the Stanley Cup. In his career, he was 4-0 in Game 7s. The team's taking the ice. Shea around the glass and out. Vatrano able to play it, but back in the neutral zone. Aho's out in 5 seconds. They've had one shot so far, the power play. Fox makes it 2, and he scores! A power play goal with just 2 seconds remaining on the man advantage.
Adam Fox has points in 12 of the 14 playoff games. He's going to come onto the ice on a change.
Adam Fox, the only goal here tonight, is pass deflected. Still whistled wide by Zibanejad. Fox will try Zibanejad again, and a goal! Tipped in by Kreider. Another power play goal for New York and a 2-0 lead 8 minutes in.
Too many men on the ice. After Zibanejad one-times this shot, look how Kreider makes himself available. Around the back of the net, the Canes don't account for him, lifts his own right foot so it doesn't hit himself, deflects it by Raanta, and the Ranger power play has given them a 2-0 lead here in Game 7.
Here's Svechnikov right back. Teravainen robbed by Shesterkin. The Canes trying to answer quickly, had their best chance of the night. Up for Vatrano to Zibanejad. Saw a hit from Aho coming. Managed to avoid it. Trouba ahead for Vatrano. Now Zibanejad. Centers one for a one-timer right on by Panarin.
That's a big stop for Raanta.
14th of his career in an elimination game. He's playing in his 26th career elimination game in the playoffs. Those 14 goals, the most of any active player. Sebastian Aho drops it back. There's a shot right on and a save made. A rebound left after Shesterkin denied Shea, who had a goal in the last game in New York. Aho drops it back for Pesce. Rebound free, and the shot set wide by Shea. Great pressure by Carolina. Shesterkin flat on his back, and even then they managed to freeze the puck. For Zibanejad, off balance a bit. Kakko with Kreider at the top of the crease. Trouba blast. Knocked down by Raanta. It is free for Kreider. And then a bouncing puck for Zibanejad, who had a wave at it, couldn't put it on net. Raanta is down, face down at the side of the crease, and they stop the play. And the backup is the rookie, Pyotr Kochetkov, who has played in only 3 career regular season games. And he's played in 3 more in these playoffs.
As the Canes try to keep their season alive.
He came into Game 6 early in the second period when it was 3-0. Raanta struggled early in that game. He played in 2 games against Boston, and he makes a stop. Great chance for Ryan Strome. Back the other way. Aho with Svechnikov, and he couldn't knock it on net on an aerial pass. So they're down to their 3rd string goalie. And that's not new for the Rangers in these playoffs. They have a 2-on-1 across the line. Strome scores! He had a great chance a moment ago, couldn't put it home. That time he did. And it's 3-0 New York with 3:41 to go in the second period.
He's going to come over and support here as Panarin chips it up the wall. There's help coming back, but it's not quick enough. Strome scores, and the watch party in New York City in Central Park cheers the Rangers' 3-0 lead.
All of these Rangers have more than enough playoff experience. Nino Niederreiter got it free. D'Angelo came up. He's going to take some chances, and it's going to lead to a break opportunity for Kreider. Chris Kreider, he scores! Rangers.
This is the first time in this series we've seen Chris Kreider, who screams in joy, use that power, the legs, the speed to get out in front of Jacob Slavin, and then he holds it around Pyotr Kochetkov. 52 tallies in the regular season. That is Chris Kreider, the power forward, coming alive in Game 7. He's got 2 goals, and the Rangers lead by 4.
Necas up to play it. And Shesterkin out of the net, got himself in trouble. They still couldn't score with a wide open net. It was Aho who didn't convert. Now they do. DeAngelo might have been deflected out in front. A power play goal with 11:49 to go. There's still a faint pulse here in Raleigh.
A wild sequence around Igor Shesterkin. Ryan Lindgren's going to leave the ice because he doesn't have a stick. Teravainen pokes this puck away. Fox actually saves it as he dives into the net here to keep the puck away from you see his body just sag. He can't believe it. And then DeAngelo moments later beats Shesterkin over the glove, and it's 4-1.
And the puck played out by Kakko. Race for Lafreniere as Hedl going to the front of the net.
If you're Carolina, you think if I can get one in the next 5.
Hedl all alone, he scores!
Never mind. What a dagger. If there was going to be a comeback for Carolina, 40 seconds between the DeAngelo goal and Philip Hedl scoring for the 3rd time in 2 games. Turnover at the blue line. Hedl's not out of the zone, and he beats Kochetkov with the quick wrist shot through the 5-hole.
Diving to block shots, man after man, opponent shot after opponent shot.
Well, the motivation might have been an issue, or the energy in March. Not going to be now.
Domi scores off a rebound to get them within 3 with 3:47 to go. 3rd goal of the playoffs for Max Domi, all of them in the Game 7s. 2 against Boston in his first career Game 7, and now he has one with his dad Ty watching tonight.
Tomorrow or the next day that you'll feel any satisfaction about what you've done.
Shot right on, rebound hanging there. Lofted high in the air, there's an empty net for Copp. He scores! Andrew Copp, an empty net goal. 6-2. And they played without their number 1 goalie. Ronta was terrific, but they brought Anderson over here to be a difference maker in the playoffs.
And the Rangers start to celebrate.
Final 3 seconds. They've done it again. From 3 games to 1 down against Pittsburgh to win the series in round 1. Down 2-0 in this series. They come back from 2 games to none down for the 3rd time in 25 such series in franchise history. They've won 5 in a row.